Hi everyone. I know some of you have had some issues locating and purchasing the ebook, so I wanted to send over this short video to show you exactly where to locate it. First, we'll put in the link that Professor McElveen sent you. You should come to this page, and from here you'll just scroll down and see different purchase options. You'll see digital, print and ebook, and bundles. We'll click print and ebook. And here you will see the two different ebook options, rental being the most cost effective. You can add that to your cart and then proceed through the purchase process. Some of you may have accidentally purchased Connect or another offering that you would like to return. So I sent over some information to Professor McElveen and she will send that along to you all. It's a link to process your return and refund. But once you have purchased the text, you can find that in my bookshelf under here. And then you should be able to access your ebooks. If you have any other questions, please reach out. Thank you.